It's already been long time, no? I didn't take be okay
Sure, why
with you,
not?
ma'am.
Yeah, I'm 100% okay with that. Please collaborate with my channel also. Okay,
In
but
the
Tamil you don't know.
I don't know Tamil, no, but
You're right. I think you have a lot of collections of knowledge because you travel.
sorry for being late
Very
because
good
I
afternoon.
was doing something
It's okay.
because I have already sent you message 10 minutes or 15 minutes before, but I was doing something, no? So,
Yeah, I know,
all
I
right.
know. I
Okay.
feel you. I feel you. Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good afternoon. How are you? First of all, I
Yeah.
would like to know about you. Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastic, ma'am. Yeah, everything is fine
Okay.
here. Do you want me to introduce myself as well, or just you
Yeah,
know my name or
sure.
what I'm doing actually?
Okay, yeah, little bit.
Yeah, basically, I'm connecting with you from Kolkata. And in terms of
Okay.
my education, so I have just completed my 10 classes standard. And after that, I quit everything related to my studies. I'm doing for my living. So definitely by profession, I am a driver. So it's my gig. It's all
Okay.
about me, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you so much for your introduction, sir. I would like to introduce myself to you because you didn't know anything about me till now. Okay, so that is why my name is Indra. I'm connecting with you from the state Tamil Nadu. I'm a homemaker, but side by side, I'm teaching online. And as per my educational background, I have done Masters of English and Bachelor of Education and Diploma Teacher Education as well. Actually, I was working in a school as a teacher before my marriage, and after that, I quit my job. Then, even now, I'm still happy because even now I'm teaching online. So life is going like this, and also teaching and speaking English both are my passion, I would say. That is why I'm connecting with you. Actually, I would like to tell you that even I also subscribe to your channel and I have watched so many of your videos as well. Yeah.
Oh my God. How did you stumble
Yeah.
out my videos?
uh See, one day what happened, yeah, really good. And recent days, you have started uploading videos. I don't know why.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, actually, that was the reason, no, why I have already started my journey with this
Mm-hmm.
language. So definitely keep consistent with my learning process. So definitely I need to be active with my social media. So that's the reason I have
Yeah.
already created my channel, but I'm not that much consistent because
Yeah.
it has already been long time. No, I didn't take any
uh,
session or any classes from any mentor or any co-learner because this is the hard time. No,
exactly.
Skype has already blurred between friends and
Yeah.
family, no? So that's the reason
Exactly.
it's quite impossible to get people.
Connect.
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly,
yeah,
exactly.
mm,
Because really it is challenging right now to get the partner and also which application should we use for that.
yeah,
Really, it is confusing. And also, yesterday also I had some troubles to connect with someone, and we pre-planned everything, but the last moment, oh my God, the first time ever, I had a lot of challenges to connect with the person. Then we cancelled, and we gave
yeah,
up the idea connecting with each other. Then we plan to we postpone that meeting to next day.
yeah,
That's what happened actually, because Skype application was user friendly. So the moment we thought, okay, let's connect to someone easily, we can connect. But what happened? Skype has evolved into like Microsoft Team. I think we can't record anymore. So that is the reason we find out the right platform. And also people don't know, people are not aware of how to connect and how to use the application, other application. If we have a laptop or the strong network connection, we can easily connect.
yeah, yeah,
Otherwise it would be impossible. Yeah,
yeah. If you don't
exactly,
have,
exactly.
if you not have your internet connection is stable, sometime
Mm,
they are
yes,
using their smartphone. So obviously their
yeah,
internet connection will be flaxing, no? So that's the reason it will
exactly.
not easy to take any session from the any YouTuber or any moment. So this is the things. But yes,
Yeah,
I would like to
exactly.
take your concern one thing because I have my own YouTube channel. So this session
Yeah,
going to be recorded and I want to just
yeah,
upload on my channel. So will
yeah,
that be okay
sure. Why
with you,
not?
ma'am?
Yeah, I'm 100% okay with that. Okay, and so I just want to tell you that please collaborate with my channel also. I also run channel. Okay, and when you are free, when you are available, please we can collaborate for my channel, and this video you can use for your channel.
Of course, ma'am. Of course,
Sure,
definitely. I
sure,
need
sure.
to collaborate with your channel because you have some of subscriber. So definitely
Yeah,
they will know about myself. So definitely it's
yeah,
going
sure,
to be help
sure,
for my
sure.
channel. Yeah,
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Yeah.
of course.
Okay, and then yes, sir, tell me how is your Sunday going on, and what about your Sunday routine? Is it day off for you?
No, ma'am. Actually, not off day, but I work for a center. No, sometimes they are also busy because they don't want to go anywhere in Sunday. So definitely I am free now, but I just want to leave from my house at night, I think, after 10 o'clock. So that's the reason I'm taking
Okay.
some rest. Since morning, I was
Mm-hmm.
thinking that, yes, today I am free. So if I will send messages, maybe it might be chances that I will get opportunity to talk with someone. So
Yeah.
it's my opportunity that I got call from your side, no?
Yeah, exactly. I was also since morning I have been thinking about that. Okay, let's talk with someone because last day, yesterday I tried hard to connect with the lady, but
Hmm.
last moment, like she sent me link, and everything was going, but when I connected with her Wi-Fi, the power went out. Wi-Fi
Okay.
was disconnected.
Yeah.
Automatically, oh my God. It was, I was, disappointed. And also then, see again and again, and also mobile also, I didn't have enough data. So that
Hmm.
is why I couldn't connect with that. For 1 hour, literally, I can say 1 hour I tried hard. But okay, today, no, power did not go out. Yeah.
Okay. So God has been
Okay.
great of us, no? Because
Yeah,
we have already
exactly,
connected and
exactly.
this
Yeah.
session is going so smoothly, I would say.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I would
Hmm.
like to have a session like this only. And I want to connect with the people and I want to have a very casual conversation. And
Oh,
because all the time we are repeating the same question, people are fed up with that. All right. And also
yeah.
very smoothly we can share our journey. That is good.
Hmm.
But again and again, when we repeat the same questions, we also get very bored, right? So, okay, that's all. And I just, before that, I would like to ask you that you use different new vocabularies. That time I really admired. Oh my God, how can this man use so many words? And how do you remember? And how do store all those vocabularies in your mind? That's my question.
Actually, ma'am, I was nothing in this field, no, because if I will tell you that when I have started my journey, so it was a very scratch level because I was not a good student in my school. I was really horrible student, so I never
Okay.
interested to learn this language, no. But
Mm-hmm.
being a driver, sometimes I need to collaborate. I need to talk with foreign passenger. No, some young foreign passengers definitely they would like to talk with you very interactive way, and they're going to use some idioms and phrases like that. So I was not aware all those things. No, but literally I have started my journey. So from that day, I started learn some idioms, phrases, and very concrete level word because a conversation can easily get boring no if you will use some uh, possible word and maybe you are using very normal words so definitely people are not going to watch your videos no your
Yeah.
speaking will be not formal way so
Mm-hmm.
definitely if you want to get any interaction between friends and between your viewers so definitely you need to use some concrete level vocabularies so yeah, so this is very most important thing. And if you will talk how did I learn this and how I can manage while you were speaking, so suddenly it never come in your mind that you have to use this idiom in this situation, right? So for that,
Yeah.
you need to practice more and more, and you need to create your own situation where you can implement, where you are going to
Yeah.
implement with these idioms, right? So yeah, so
Exactly.
I never ever open a single page of any grammar, any books, or anything. Even
Oh.
I'm
Okay.
looking to that you're behind a lot of books. No, you have a book shelf,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
if
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
will search my entire home, so you never find a single book from my house, no, because I don't have
Oh.
time, no,
Okay.
because I'm not following
Mm.
any time schedule. So if I will get any leisure time, so definitely I'm going to sound sleep or take a single nap. So yeah,
Okay.
but yes,
Okay.
of course, I
Okay.
have learned something, and I try to incorporate while I'm speaking in my sentences and whom I am speaking with this language, right?
Exactly, exactly. We are sharing our knowledge and also not
Mm.
only knowledge, vocabularies also, right? We are
Yeah, of
sharing,
course.
right?
Yeah.
So that's a good thing, wonderful thing. And yeah, that's a thing, that's a question I want to ask you. And like I have been, so I think a few months ago, I have sent you message to connect with you. That time you were not available. You could see that in your
Okay.
okay, okay. And that time you were not available. Okay, no problem. Today I had a wonderful chance to connect with you. I'm so happy for that. Okay,
Same as
okay.
it is here, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm super excited to be here in front of you, ma'am, because you're from southern part of India. Because I have
Yeah.
heard a lot of things about southern part of India. Most of the people they are educated, and I have already friends circle in Kerala and some of
Mhm.
Hyderabad. So yeah, because
Do you
I
have
sometimes
friends
yeah, of course,
in
some
from
of
Tamil Nadu?
Tamil Nadu. I don't have any friends from Tamil Nadu, but
Oh,
I know very well Kerala and Karnataka like that
oh,
because their mother tongue is
okay.
Malayalam, I think. So
Malayalam. Yeah,
what is
yeah.
your language? Your vernacular
My
language
mother
is
tongue is Tamil. My mother
Tamil.
tongue is Tamil. Tamil,
Okay,
Tamil.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, how many languages do you know?
Oh my goodness, this is the curious question, no? Because I really
Uh,
prefer to talk with 5 or 6 languages very fluently.
Wow, 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 wow. Really?
Yeah, really.
Okay. Can you name the
Yeah, of course. Because
languages?
I know very well Arabic because I am very fluent with this language, and Hindi.
Mm-hmm.
My mother tongue is Bengali, and
Hmm.
Punjabi and M-
Wow.
Marwari. You know, the Rajasthan state of
Mm.
Rajasthan, they are using the
Okay.
Marwari. Yeah, but
Okay. Or you,
yeah,
mm-hmm.
once upon a time I was trying to learn Malayalam, but yes, it
Uh-huh.
is really really difficult to learn this language. No, because they're
Okay.
yeah
Tamil and Malayalam words, some words are similar. Tamil
yeah.
and Malayalam words, but not literally similar. But
Hmm.
some words are similar. Tamil and
Yeah.
Malayalam words.
Actually,
Yeah.
ma'am, you need to only environment, no? If you'll get any environment, so definitely
Yeah.
you can learn this language easily, no? Because I have my
Exactly.
friend circle with Arabic people because most of the people
Mm.
they are working Middle East country, you know. So
Mm-hmm.
sometime,
Okay.
yeah, if you'll watch my entire video on YouTube, but because this video I'm not uploading on YouTube channel, but Facebook, I have my Facebook channel, no? There are a lot of
Okay.
videos. Actually, I have done so many sessions with Arabian people. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Which language did you speak with them?
In Arabic, no? Because I am so
Oh, in
fascinated with
Arabic.
learn different kinds of language since my childhood, no?
Okay. Then how can we wish someone how are you in Arabic?
كيف الحال? كيف
Oh,
الحال?
okay. Okay.
In
But
the
Tamil you don't know.
no, I don't know Tamil, no, but I'm
Oh,
a little bit aware of this language in Malayalam, no? In the chapter
okay.
chor undala
Because you
chata,
have friends. Okay.
yeah,
Because if you have friends from Kerala, that is why you
yeah,
learned.
yeah. Because
Okay. If you
I have
have.
some of my
Mm,
friends because some of my friends they are living in Kerala. Sometime I'm calling
mm-hmm.
to them, and sometime I need to keep in touch with them by audio call, no? For my
Oh,
yeah
okay.
for my purpose because a lot of tourists vehicle they're actually they're coming to in my state, no, so sometime I need to
Mm-hmm.
take their number because they're also driver, So definitely, it's a great opportunity to you can make friend easily with other state also and other
Yeah.
countries people. No,
Yeah,
yeah.
correct. You're right. I think you have a lot of collections of knowledge because you travel a lot and you get
Oh my
connected with
goodness.
a lot of
Yeah,
people.
yeah, ma'am.
Definitely,
Yes,
you're
yes.
very knowledgeable. Okay. So
Mm.
you just, you're very humble and you are telling, I don't learn anything. No, that is bookish knowledge, but you have practical knowledge. You have a lot of collections in your
Yes,
brain.
of
Really
course. Yeah.
appreciate you for that. Like, that is called education is a part of life, but main part is we should have more and more practical knowledge.
You are absolutely right. I think you hit the nail on the head, no? Because if
Mm.
you have any ambition, if you want to do, or if you want to achieve something, healing is important, no? When I was getting time to talk with foreign passengers, so I was thinking that why should I not try to learn this language actually? Because if you can talk with this language, so definitely people are going to respect to you, no? Because you are not
Exactly,
educated well, because some educated peoples definitely you can make easily friend with them, no?
exactly,
So yeah.
exactly. If we talk in English, we would connect with a lot of people around the world, across the world,
Yeah.
right? Not only with our people. It had a it opened the great way. Yeah,
So
that's why. That's why.
you don't know Hindi, right?
Mm. No, no, even single
So
sentence.
okay, so have you ever
Yeah,
been to any other state in our country?
only Kerala. Kerala means Kerala border. I visited a tourist
Okay.
spot, Kanyakumari
Hmm.
and Trandram.
Okay.
Okay, so
These are
that
the
that
most
was the only one.
attractive part
Mm,
for people, no? I have heard
yeah.
about a lot of things about the southern part of India, but I never been to
Mm-hmm.
there, no. I didn't get any
Why?
opportunity to be there.
You
So
didn't get a chance.
yeah, so
Mm,
definitely I would be there very soon
definitely.
because yeah, actually my family has set a lot of responsibility, no, because I cannot
Mm,
quit my job, quit my profession because this is the
yeah.
one of the most important thing that I'm getting some money from those things. So
Mm,
nowadays it is quite impossible for me to go outside. So definitely
okay.
I'm dreaming for visit in Kerala, no, in southern part of
Yeah.
India. Yeah.
You can go for it because there are many places we can visit
Mhm.
from Kerala.
Yeah.
Kerala, very nice and wonderful place.
Yeah, I know. And
Yeah,
people are most of the people are very hospitable people, no, over there.
yeah.
And they're very, yeah.
Tamilians also, not only
Yeah, I
them,
know.
Tamilians
I
also.
know. I know very well. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so we are very special in hospitality because
Ah,
whoever comes to our house, we welcome even
I know.
enemies.
I know very
Okay.
well because I have been to their culture since a long time, no? As I
Yeah.
said that I have a lot of friends and they are very
Mm,
humble people and maybe they are also calling to me that I will go there, so definitely they will arrange my accommodation, they will arrange my foods and
yeah,
all the expensive, no, which is the rising in
exactly.
front of me. So definitely,
Exactly.
so I need to only quit my job 3 4 days like that, and then I have to go there. Yeah,
Yeah, sure, sure,
definitely. Yeah.
sure, sure, sir. Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye. Have a
Thank
nice
you,
day.
sir. Thank you, sir. It was a great session, and I think I my dream has come true today. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, you are loading me with a lot of English word. No, I'm super excited, ma'am. I'm super excited.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Oh,
It's my pleasure. It was nice talking with you. Thank
thank you,
you.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.